Hello, beautifuls. My name is Jordan Poteet, and this is Naples Beauty. Welcome to my channel. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon down below so you know when I actually post, which currently isn't a lot. But I'm going to try and get better about that, so we'll see if I do. So I figured for today's video, since I haven't posted in a while, I should explain why, and I'm not really wearing any makeup because I haven't worn makeup in like a month, to be honest. I know it's not because of any skin allergies or skin irritation or anything like that. I'm actually a little bit tanner than normal. Still pale, but a little bit tanner. But I actually got a new job, which is why I haven't been posting as much. So I got a bunch of boxes in the mail today, some of which I got sent by Macy's and others I bought for myself. So I thought I would do a little unboxing / review / talk about myself. Because why not? So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing, I actually unboxed it yesterday because I got it in the mail yesterday. This is from Ipsy. So I got a cute little bag. I thought I would try it for the first time because why not? Let's see what I got. I got Damn Girl. So this is a mascara. I have not tried it yet, so maybe I will try it out in a sec. Oh, I love the packaging for this. This is so cute, and it's small, nice and travel sized. This is nice. It kind of reminds me of Shiseido. I feel like Shiseido makes a mascara with a similar one, so I'll have to try that out and see if it does make me full on volume, intense black lashes, and long lasting curl. We'll have to find out. Okay, what else do we have here? We have the Ofra Madison Miller lip gloss. I kind of like the color though. It's like this orange. This is a full size. Smells like coconut. Which I don't mind coconut. I don't necessarily like coconut. But it's pretty. I feel like it'd be prettier like on top of a lipstick. So definitely probably how I would use this. Okay. This is okay. Don't despair. Strength and moisture leave-in mask. It's, how is this applicator supposed to, okay, so it's a spray. Is this for your hair? It says don't despair, repair, strength and leave-in moisture. It's formulated with algae extract. Okay, so it is supposed to strengthen damaged hair and split ends. I don't have a ton of split ends because I got my hair cut not that long ago, but I definitely could use that to help and prevent the small ones I do have. Alright, and then the next thing I have is the Velvet Pressed Eyeshadow Phase Zero Makeup. Alright, well, let's try this. Kind of a basic one. I normally don't get singles. I normally get palettes because I'm a person who will use most of the colors in a palette. So I did swatch it last night, but I didn't really... That's pretty. It's nice and pigmented. We'll have to see how it blends. I don't even know how I'm going to use this because it's just such a... I don't know. Well, I'll have to play with it. I haven't used makeup in so long that I'm like nervous to use like the big colors like that. Okay, so on to the next package. Okay, so I kind of know what this is, I kind of don't. This is from Macy's. They sent this to me, so I am kind of promoting it for them. It is Ralph Lauren. How cool. I don't remember what this is. Actually, I don't even know if I ever knew what this is. So, oh, I legit thought it was going to be closed for some reason. It is not closed. Oh, hello. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so this right here is actually a perfume that I've wanted for so long, and by so long I mean like in the month that it's come out, it smells like cotton candy, and I love it. So I'm super excited. I legit thought this was gonna be closed. So thank you, Macy's, for, I didn't have to buy it, so I'm really happy. Saving money, because I was actually thinking about purchasing this, and then I looked at my bank account and I was like, nope. Okay, so I gotta open this. Comes in this little pink bottle. If I can open it. There we go. I'm so excited. Okay. I mean, who doesn't like pretty perfume? Come on. And I was asking my coworker last time I was at Macy's, I was like, oh my god, are they gonna make this into a travel size so I can actually afford to buy it? And it looks like I don't need to. So this is what it looks like. So, oh my god. It's like warm. I love that. Okay, so little nose trick, you don't want to like rub it. You can pat it against one another, but you'll actually mess up the notes if you rub it back and forth, like most people do. Okay, sorry, I just kind of like had a moment. I'll put that with my other perfumes. So there we go. I'm sorry, I just really, I did not expect that, so I'm happy. For some reason I thought I was going to get closed. I'm not sure why, because I like signed up for, so the way Macy's Style Crew thing works is you sign up for things and you either get them or you don't, so I thought I was going to get a closed thing that I signed up for. I forgot I signed up for the perfume thing, so I'm super happy. Okay, so the last package I have is my new shoes I just bought. So this is like all on my own. So I got these because I have a new job. I am working at, I still work at Macy's, but I'm not working for Clarins anymore. Bummer, I know. I really like Clarins as a company. I still stand by everything I said about their products. They are really good products. And it is a really good company. It actually cares about its customers and about the world. So that is awesome. But I needed a change of scenery. Retail can be kind of hard. It's a really harsh environment, and so I wanted to kind of change my full-time job. So I'm still working at Macy's part-time, but I needed a change of scenery for my full-time job. I also really like working with kids, so I decided to work in a career that has kids, and a job just kind of came out in front of me. So I'm working at a school. I'm not going to disclose what school that is, but I am working at a school, and I work as a general assistant, so I copy papers, it's pretty easy actually. I sharpen pencils, I laminate things, and I take kids out for lunch and recess, and yeah, so I really like my new job. It is such a blessing. I like Macy's and all, but it's a harsh environment. Retail is harsh. I say that, and I'm working there in like a couple days. So I got new shoes, and these are Allbirds. This is not sponsored, by the way. So I got some Allbirds shoes because they're super comfortable, and I haven't bought new shoes in a while. So I've actually bought these exact pair of shoes before, and my mom's dog ate them, so thank you, Lance. But I really did like them. They're super comfortable. I walk around all day, and black goes with everything, so Shazam. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys liked it. Before we go, I'm going to put some mascara on. Should I put mascara on? No, I'm not, because I'm lazy. Maybe I'll do like a tutorial video next. I don't know. What should I do, guys? Shout out to Marianne, because I probably was going to quit YouTube if you didn't send me that Snapchat the other night. So thank you, little cousin of mine. Yeah, I hope to see you guys soon. This has been fun, and bye.